Good morning guys, today is Wednesday. Nasa labas ako ng bahay. So, may nakita kami sa front door na mushroom. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung mushroom dito sa Amerika. Yan, nasa labas ako guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung... So guys, ito yung mushroom dito sa Amerika. May flies pa siya. Nakikita nyo guys yung flies. Ayan. Hindi daw, sabi ni Dan, hindi daw to kinakain eh. Pero yun yung itsura niya, sobrang puti. Tsaka may maliit din, ayan o. Tsaka meron din dito. Ito yung iba. Ayan. Tsaka ito may dalawa o. So, ayan yung mushroom dito sa Amerika. So guys, ayun yung itsura ng, ano tawag dito? Mushroom dito sa dito sa amin. Pero hindi daw yun kinakain. Coffee tayo guys. Inaantok pa ako kahit late na kami nagising ngayon. Nagising kami ng 12 noon na ngayon lang kami kagigising lang namin. So sarap na feeling ng day off. Walang iisipin kung ano-ano. Pwede kang late magising kung tamad-tamaran lang ba. So let's drink coffee guys. Alam niyo guys, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng American Eagle na pantalon. Yung isang nabili kong, ang tawag dito, yung high-waisted na super skinny na pantalon. Yung material niya, ang ganda, sobrang soft, tsaka very stretchy. Ang ganda sa fitting. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Move natin yung... Hindi ba makita? Wait lang guys. Ang ganda ng fitting guys. Ayan o. Ang gustong-gusto ko siya. Ang ganda ng fitting niya. Tapos ayan yung fitting niya sa ano. Wait. Ayan. Ang ganda ng fit sa ano. Ang ganda ng fit sa... Ayan siya yung tsura niya guys. Oh. Ayan. Basta ang ganda ng fit. Sobrang ganda ng fit niyang ano niya. Ng material. Tsaka yung fit sa... shape ng katawan mo ang ganda. So definitely I'm gonna if I want a new pants, definitely I'm gonna look to American Eagle again, the same like exactly this one. I like a little bit high here. I like high-waisted. It looks sexy. It looks sexy. At saka yung ganda yung ano niya, yung tama lang sa height ko yung length ng pantalon guys, ganito. Ayan, ganyan yung, hanggang dito yung length niya. So, normally, nahihirapan akong humanap ng pantalon yung sakto, yung haba sa legs ko. Ito, saktong-sakto talaga yung haba niya sa legs ko. So, yay! So, I'm gonna buy my pants more in American Eagle because I like it. It's really comfy and very stretchy and it fit on my size. It's raining outside guys and you call it thunder. I'm waiting for the thunder. There you go. That's loud. And my bike is ready for tomorrow's ride. We're gonna do a bike ride tomorrow, right, honey?
Better, slacker.
So my bike fixed already for tomorrow's bike ride. We'll see. And that just looks like my bike. So magbabike kami guys tomorrow. We're not sure what time we're gonna go on a ride bike tomorrow, but my bike is ready. He fixed it already. No, something wrong, like squeaky, and some parts is loose, so he tied it up for tomorrow's bike ride. So that's it for today's vlog guys. Walang masyadong activities today. So because I've been busy a little bit, so definitely I'm gonna upload it right away because I haven't uploaded like 4 days already. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog.